Hello to all of you guys. Welcome to Code Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we will explain to create an object and class and call in any element, call in any methods of any create object. First, we are creating academician class. Academician class has 5 parameters: this is name and surname and age and wage and branch. Second function is give information. Give information is printing name is blah blah, surname is blah blah, age is blah blah, wage is blah blah, branch is blah blah. Here is value of self.name. Here is value of self.surname. Here is value of self.age. Here is value of self.wage. Here is value of self.branch. Okay, and third function is doing interest doing in interest is doing in interest to wage. Okay, doing interest is doing interest to wage. Okay, in the here we are creating two objects to this academician 1 and academician 2. This is first academician, second is second academician is A2. As Serkan and Dizman and Serkan and Dizman and 45 and 1000 and math teacher is value of academician class for first academician. Ömer Faruk and Akmeşe and 31 and 700 and person who teaches Python language is value of academician class for second academician. Okay, most finally we are calling give information method or method for first academician. In this row, most finally is output. Most finally we are showing we will show output. Output is, we are cleaning. Output is name is Serkan, surname is Dizman, age is 45, wage is 1000, branch is math teacher, because we call it for first academician. Okay, I hope you can understand. That was all I will say in this video. Have a good time. See you later. Goodbye. 1 minute. You can follow my YouTube channel and TikTok and Instagram and Facebook accounts. Have a good time. See you later. Goodbye.